Imagine you finally save up $5,000. Your first instinct? Put it in a high-yield savings account and wait for that 4% interest to hit. You feel safe. You feel responsible. But then you look at your balance 6 months later and realize you haven't actually moved the needle. You're playing defense while the wealthiest people on earth are playing an entirely different game. That's literally the trap most of us are stuck in. Look, my name is Shawaiz, and I spend way too much time thinking about wealth architecture and the psychology of billionaires. If you're someone who feels like you're working harder every year, but your net worth is staying exactly the same, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Here's the thing. Most people think Elon Musk is rich because he has a massive bank account. No. If Elon relied on a salary, he'd be broke compared to his current standing. He understands a math equation that 99% of people ignore. Equity greater than income. Let's do some quick math. If you earn $100,000 a year and save 20%, it takes you 50 years to hit $1 million, ignoring inflation. Musk doesn't chase dollars. He builds systems that solve massive problems. When Tesla's stock price goes from $10 to $200, his wealth doesn't just grow, it scales exponentially. This is where it gets really interesting. He attracts money because he provides asymmetric value. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not building rockets. It's not about the rockets. It's about the psychology of scale. Most people trade time for money. Musk trades solutions for equity. Money isn't something you get. It's something that is attracted to the person who solves the biggest problem. Stop being a consumer. Switch from, what can I buy? To, what can I build? Focus on scalable skills. Learn a skill that pays you while you sleep. The 2-minute entry. Don't wait for a business plan. Spend 2 minutes today researching one asset class you can own. Wealth isn't a reward for hard work. It's a byproduct of value. Stop chasing the paycheck and start building the asset.